Well, welcome back. Almost every car owner goes through this struggle. When does it make sense financially to get a new vehicle instead of just repairing your current one?
In our series, Keys to Car Maintenance with Horn Honda of Glendale, Molly chatted with the pros about the pros and cons. Take a look.
We're talking keys to car maintenance here at Horn Honda, and I'm here with Coach Chris. He is the supervisor of everything service. It is great to see you. Thank you so much.
Hey, Molly. Nice to see you.
Okay, so I want to know when it makes sense to repair rather than replace your car.
Well, if you've taken care of your car and have done all your maintenance and the repairs haven't been crazy, then you might want to keep on maintaining and keep driving it. If the car starts to cost you a little bit too much and it's getting high in miles, starting to rust out, you probably want to think about replacing it.
So you said something great there, and that was my next question. It's about the mileage, the condition your car is in, all of those things. Those things play a role. How do you know when those things should factor into your decision about repairing versus replacing?
Well, I mean, you get up higher in the mileage, you're going to have more things they're definitely start going wrong. Things wear out on vehicles, rust, things like that. Obviously, you're going to want to make you maybe get into something new. If you keep constantly having to repair, you're probably going to want to think about replacing.
It's time to replace. Okay, so this repair for life thing that you have here going at Horn, I mean, that's pretty incredible. How does that work?
It is cool. You pay for a repair once, and for the life of the vehicle, we repair if it breaks again, that particular repair.
So let's say it's an alternator, and you replace my alternator, you repair it.
Yep.
Then once I've paid for that once, I never have to pay for it again?
Correct. If that alternator were to go bad again, you wouldn't pay for that. You come in and get it done for free.
Okay, now I'm gonna put you on the spot. What if I have a car I want to sell, and I say I want to bring it here? Can I do that even if my plan is not to buy a car at Horn?
Yep, even if it's not a Honda. Bring it on in.
Any make, model?
Yep, any make or model, we'll buy it from you.
You know, it seems like it's all about math, the repair versus replace, and how long you've been driving your car and how much you're spending on maintenance.
Yep, and how much you've taken care of it throughout its life.
And routine maintenance is easy here.
Yes.
Thank you so much for joining us, Coach Chris.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, and if repairing your car is the best choice, Horn Honda of Glendale has service financing options so you can pay over time. And for more info on the Repaired for Life program, call 414-352-6100. Scan the QR code on your screen, and we're going to also put a link on the Morning Blend's website.